I may be very direct with you today, but I really think we all need to hear it. Sayyidah Aisha said a hadith after Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam died. And I want every woman, and it's about woman coming from a woman, coming from the most knowledgeable woman in the Islamic history. She looked at the woman in the masjid and she said the following. She said, if Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam will see what the woman did in masajid, he would have prevented them from coming. When I did this hadith, I say, let him come and see these days. Let him come and see these days. I come and dress as if I'm going to Walmart or I'm going to any grocery shop. It's the house of Allah. I come and run and laugh and talk to people. It's the house of Allah. You don't do this in people's house. Loud, laughing, talking on the phone, dressing not properly, full makeup, jewelry, perfume. Where are you going? Where are you going? It's the house of Allah. It's not going to make you closer to Allah this way. On the contrary. Again, I'm not talking about anybody, but we see it everywhere. It's becoming the norm. And that's what she said less than 50 years after Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. She died less than 50 years after. If he saw what the woman did after him, he would have prevented them from coming to the masjid. I am absolutely with the woman coming to the masjid. Where will I learn my deen? Where will I meet the Muslims? Where will I feel I'm not alone? It's only in the masjid.